Hi there, lovely Herbalist Notebook audience. We extend a warm welcome to you in our little haven of herbal knowledge and health. I'm excited to explore the amazing world of herbal preparations and applications as we go on this herbal journey together. For me, herbalism is more than just a hobby. It's the key to understanding the mysteries of nature's therapeutic powers. The process of using herbs to improve our health and happiness has a genuinely mystical quality. We'll explore the craft of making herbal cures today, as well as the ways in which these miracles of nature might improve our everyday existence. Come along with me as we discuss the advantages of introducing herbal remedies into our daily lives and embrace an approach to wellness that is both straightforward and transformative. Together, let's steep ourselves in some herbal wisdom and utilize the many resources found in nature to enhance our overall health. Here at Herbalist Notebook, the enchantment of plants is brought to life. Personal connection. I discovered the amazing power of herbal remedies in the midst of my personal healing process. I was having trouble relaxing a few years ago due to stress. While looking for a natural remedy, I came upon chamomile tea's calming properties. It turned into my bedtime routine, a soft embrace from the natural world. Unquestionably, the calming effects were felt, and soon I was overcome with a sensation of peace. That humble cup of chamomile tea became my herbal ally, bringing calm to my hectic life in the evenings. My love for herbalism was sparked by this personal experience, and it is this path that motivates me to share the amazing tales of herbs with each and every one of you here. Educational segment. Let's explore the fascinating world of plants in the enchanted world of Herbalist Notebook, where natural cures weave centuries-old tales of healing. In the plant realm, herbs are like tiny superheroes, brimming with inherent abilities to improve human health. Every herb, from bright ginger to calming chamomile, has a distinct history of health advantages. Imagine taking a bite out of peppermint, soothing lavender, and bolstering your immune system with echinacea. These miracles are more than simply delicious tastes. They are trusted companions on the path to well-being. Come explore the mysteries of herbal medicine with me, as the knowledge of the past collides with the potential for improved health in the future. Awaiting us is nature's pharmacy. Demonstration. Here at Herbalist Notebook, let's get our hands dirty with a practical demonstration. I'll walk you through making a straightforward yet potent herbal tea today. To get you started on the path to herbal healing, with a cup of hot water, choose your favorite herbs, perhaps some energizing peppermint or peaceful chamomile. First, weigh out a teaspoon of the herbs of your choice and put them in a heat-proof jar. After adding the hot water and covering it, let the herbs steep for approximately 5 minutes. Ah, the scent alone sings of the enchanted healing within. After the herbs have been strained, you are left with a delicious cup of herbal bliss. Adding herbal remedies to your daily routine is a simple way to take control of nature's healing power. Thus, let's keep things straightforward, stick to herbs, and improve our health one drink at a time. Benefits and uses. We're learning about the various ways herbal remedies can work their magic in our everyday lives in the enchanted world of Herbalist Notebook. Imagine a calming herbal infusion that not only nourishes your skin, but also gently removes stress with the help of a soft breeze. Brightness and vigor are brought forth by herbal skincare, a pleasant dance with nature. Picture yourself in the embrace of immunological support, protected from the seasons by herbal companions. Success stories of people finding comfort in herbal medicines and experiencing an improvement in their well-being resound in the leaves. Our herbal journey is a testament to the transformational power of nature, offering everything from immune support to stress alleviation. Together, let's unlock the door to radiant health and vigor by embracing the whispers of the herbs. Expert views. Let's draw on the knowledge of seasoned herbal professionals to expand our comprehension of the benefits of herbal remedies. Herbs have been a source of healing for centuries, offering a gentle and holistic approach to well-being, says renowned herbalist Dr. Jasmine Green. She highlighted the adaptability of herbal medicines in a recent interview, saying, "Herbs can address a myriad of health concerns naturally, from soothing teas to topical applications." Imagine the bright hues and rich textures of a herbalist's workstation as they meticulously combine natural cures. Remember these knowledgeable tips as we go out on this herbal adventure, which will lead us to a happier, healthier existence. Audience interaction, greetings, Herbalist Notebook readership. I look forward to hearing from each and every one of you. Which herbal cure is your go-to when you want to improve your mood or general well-being? Please share your herbal trips in the comments section below. Let's expand our herbal family together if you share my enthusiasm for herbs. In order to follow our herbal adventures, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. I really appreciate your support, which also goes a long way towards educating people about the benefits of herbal remedies. Please feel free to forward this video to your friends and loved ones. By working together, we can spread knowledge about herbs. Conclusion: finally, we have unlocked the natural cures that can improve our everyday lives by discovering the mysteries of herbal preparations and applications. This concludes our herbal trip. We've explored the power of herbs and their beneficial effects on our health, from calming teas to restorative balms. I am so grateful to the amazing Herbalist Notebook community for this time. I appreciate each and every one of you so much. Your support means the world to me.